What is going on? Scott Tither with SangerRealestateHunter.com. Okay, when you are buying a home, not a refinance, but you are buying a home, potentially there's 4 different ways to pay or to have closing costs paid for. Number 1, you pay for them yourself, whether that comes from your checking account, savings account, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, you tap into 401k, etc. You pay for them. Number 2, let's say that we're going with a down payment assistance loan. You can also get closing cost assistance. That means that you're still paying for it, but you're getting a loan to cover the down payment, the loan, and closing costs. There's 2 other ways that we can get somebody else besides you to cover them. 1 is when we write an offer, when you're buying a property, we can have the seller pay your closing costs. Here's how it looks. Let's pretend you're Bill. Mr. Seller, Bill is buying your home for $600,000, and we want you to cover X percent or X dollars, 20,000 of Bill's closing costs. Okay, so we write that into the offer. Of course, the seller could say yes, no, they could counter, or they don't have to do anything. And the, option number 4 is what's called a lender rebate. Very simplified. Let's say that you qualify for an interest rate at 4% at par. At par means you don't have to pay anything or get anything back. It's at 0. So you're at 4%. What we do is we could write the interest rate a little bit higher. 4.25%, 4.5%, 4.75%. That difference, there's an interest rate there. That difference, you actually get a loan amount, or you get money. That money then pays your closing costs. Or if you see it on TV, like that's also called a no-cost loan. So number 1, you can pay for them out of pocket. Number 2, you can get a closing cost assistance loan. Number 3, we ask for the seller to pay. Number 4, you use a lender rebate, or what's very common in a lot of my transactions is we use a combination, right? So it could be a combination of we ask the seller to pay X percent or X dollar figures of your closing costs, and we combine that with a closing cost assistance loan or a lender rebate. Obviously, if you have any questions for me on that whatsoever, shoot me a call, email, or text.